pleasant evening to everyone. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for coming over. I guess this is a star-studded affair. I can see our showbiz personalities coming around. So I also brought with me my PNP All-Stars. Of course, we would like to acknowledge our spokesperson of the PNP, General Wilben Mayor. Yan, lagi niyo siyang nakikita sa TV. Ang Regional Director ng Regional Office 1, si General Velasquez, Eric. Okay. Ang DRDO ng NCRPO sa Metro Manila, si General Billy Beltran at ang kanyang wife, si Mimi. Doon naman sa Directorate for Logistics, kaibigan ko si General Archie Gamboa and his wife, Twinkle. At doon naman ang Provincial Director ng Bulacan Police Office, Senior Superintendent Bong Karamat and his wife, Mami Lynn, at yung daughter niya. Again, thank you very much for coming over. But anyway, please join us in this magical journey of our Princess Cinderella. Thank you very much.
My lords and ladies, pray, witness, and welcome the 18 lords from distant lands as they present our lovely princess this evening with her missing shoe. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 18 shoe ceremony.
Kaya gift ko sa'yo yun kasi ayun yung napag-usapan natin dati. Bagay siya sa'yo and yun. Good luck sa career mo and happy birthday and God bless.
Happy birthday, Riva. Kaya ito yung napili ko kasi alam ko naman na hindi ka masyadong nag-hits. Alam mo yan. Happy birthday. Sana malayo pa marating ng karir mo.
Ivan, so happy birthday. Ba't ko ito nabili? Simple lang and comfortable siya. And beautiful. Parang iba. And happy birthday. God bless.
Kaya ito yung pili ko para sa'yo. Parang sinisimulis ko yung parang story ko sa'yo as bunso. Kasi start pa lang sa EBP, pati yung pag-guesting natin. Parang bunso na yung story ko sa'yo. So kahit kumandawan tayo or always na bunso yung story ko sa'yo.
Hi Riva, happy birthday. Ito yung napili kong show kasi it's simple, cute, parang ikaw. Tsaka extraordinary to. Kasi malalaman mo na pagsunod mo na yung effect.
Happy birthday, Riva. The moment I actually was looking for a shoe for you, I was thinking about what color is Riva carrying to me. And the first two colors that I saw was black and white. White for your purity and black for your mystery. And because the moment we were together and the one thing I really remembered when I was with you was the kindness that you showed me to other people, especially to children. And that gave me a warm heart from my heart. Literally, a soft spot. Just think about it. If you can change me, you can, I don't know, you can change the world, baby. There you go.
Thank you very much, Mr. Paul Mueller.
Uy, hello, Riva. Ito napili ko sa'yo yung shoes kasi alam mo naman hindi ko sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Hey, Levi. Ito napili ko kasi pagkabi ko lang talaga nalaman na sana sa shoes. Hindi ko siya biglaan. So, yung una nakikitang babagay sa'yo, yun na lang yung pili ko. So, happy birthday na.
Hello. Kaya ito yung napili ko yung shoe. Kasi pink is your favorite color. Kaya may heels kasi symbolize na ang taas na ng narrative. Happy birthday!
Alright. Thank you sa happy birthday.
sa'yo kasi maganda siya, parang ikaw. Simple, pero ilan.
Ay, di ba? Happy birthday. Napili ko naman sa casa sa kasi simple lang, parang ikaw. And yung mga sinabi, ikaw kasi style mo.
Ay, di ba? Happy 18th birthday. Kung parang ko yung simple lang, pero yung siya. So, kasi so, thank you.
Happy birthday. So, the reason why I want this kasi I'm running out of time na. Tsaka tulungan ko muna kayo kung natulsol muna ako. Galing lang kami ni Kevin sa SM. Tapos kaya ko na binili kasi nakita ko yung naalala ko yung film mo, Cinderella, di ba? So, nung nakita ko siya, kahit ka akong issues, na-feel ko na parang babago na. Happy birthday!
Thank you, Bert!
Yeah, hello. Happy birthday.
Napili ko kasi to.
Simple lang siya pero maganda. Happy 18th birthday and andito na ako.
Good evening everyone and good evening Eva. Thank you for having me here and also for Tita and Tito. And ito yung pinili ko na she's para sa kasi one siya. So simula is purity. So naalala ko kasi yung time nag-taping ka may isa talaga gift right sa parang God-given talent talaga yung nasa iyo. So kaya purity din. So God will bless you.
I hope you're having a good time right now. So, ano nga sasabi mo bang? Ay, galit sila. So, masama talaga yung role ko sa buhay mo. Ganun ba yun? Yung message ko sa'yo, secret na lang natin. Oo, kasi ayaw malaman nila eh. Kasi magandang pinapakita mo sa kanila, tapos sa akin iba. Di ba Barbie? Diba? So, good evening everyone. May I ask everyone to please stand up? Let us put ourselves in the loving presence of God. O Lord, we thank you for the gifts of your bounty, which we enjoy at this very magical moment, as you have provided for us in the past. So may you sustain us throughout our lives. While we enjoy your gifts, may we never forget the needy and those in want. This we ask through Christ our Lord. Amen. Happy birthday, Bang.
We now arrive to the 18 Treasures ceremony where close family, friends, and relatives will present a most honored gift to our lovely princess this evening.
This gift ginawa ko siya. And then sinalagyan. So, yeah, sa loob nito may mga letters. And I know hindi naman tayo palaging nagkakausap. So, dito sa mga letters na to, merong something about you, love and friendship, and of course, life. So, I hope, sabi nga words are just words, but words are powerful. So, I hope this will encourage you and inspire you.
Wish to us very successful with something very
Lagay na natin sa side.
Happy birthday, love you.
Wait.
Diba, yung gift ko sa'yo, hindi ko kasi talaga alam kung ano yung ibibigay ko sa tao na sa kanya ng buhay. Magandang kaibigan. Ayun, so ito gift ko sa'yo, for sure yung gamit ko sa everyday. Lalo na sobrang proud kami sa'yo, alam mo yun. From day one, kumatay ka sa akin. I love you ba? Ay ba? Happy birthday. 18 ka na. Parang dati naalala ko pa yung first birthday mo na magkasama tayo. Kumain tayo sa Tonga, arcade lang. Tapos ngayon, iba na. Ayun, thankful lang ako kasi naging part na ng childhood ko. Talaga pa tayong 10-20 doon. Kapatid pa lang sa bahay namin.
Anong tao reaction ka?
Under-iwa ka lang. And ayun, wala na rin ako wish sa'yo eh. Siguro, success mo para sa career. And yung gift ko is, doesn't really symbolize it.
Tatap na lang.
Pero, binili ko siya dahil crush ko. Ayun, I love you so much. Happy birthday, Dad. I wish you all the happiness in the world. You deserve all of it. Stay the same. Huwag kang magbabago. Hindi ka lang kami talaga para and do what your heart really desires. I love you.
Thank you.
Hi, Bang. Happy birthday. Ano ba ang sabi ko sa'yo? Ayun. Happy birthday. Thankful ako kasi simula first year high school, magkaibigan tayo. Alam ko lahat sa'yo. Ayun, sana magpatuloy lang yung... Masaya kami sa path na tinanahap mo ngayon. And proud kami sa'yo. Alam mo yan. Saka, lagi kong tatandaan na nandito lang kami palaging sa'yo. Kahit saan bagay pa yan, nandito lang kami para sa'yo. Love you, Ma. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ma. Wish ko sa'yo na magpatuloy yung career mo, na makahanap ka ng true happiness. Huwag kang kapakan kasi ayun, sobrang thankful ako kasi minigay ko yung isang katulad mo na mabait. Yung gift ko sa'yo, simple lang, pero nung nakita ko to, ikaw agad din nalala. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, nakaibigan natin kayo na ako magsasabihin mo. Ito yung gift ko sa'yo kasi nung gusto ko na mula nung high school pa lang talaga. At saka, text ko na lang sila kung bakit yung so happy birthday, God, and know that I'm very proud of you and what have you become right now. So sobrang proud ako kasi you built a name for yourself na ikaw na si Viva Kenya. I'm wishing you all the best on your special day and know that I'm always here for you in this one hour. God bless. And yung gift ko sa'yo, your wish is my command. When I ask you, ito talaga yung binigay. Happy birthday, I love you so much. Hi guys. Yeah, so, thank you sa pag-invite mo sa akin. Tapos, alam mo naman na nandito na ako palagi para sa'yo. Yung gift ko sa'yo, bag siya, tapos naka-frame na ako para i-display yung sa kwarto mo if ever na
down na down ka, pero ganyan pa lang yung mga so, love you. My love, first of all, happy birthday. Thank you for the friendship. And lagi ko naman sinasabi sa'yo, sobrang proud kami ni King sa'yo. And itong gift ko, alam ko hindi ko ito mag-treasure forever. Pero alam ko, ngayon, daily ko siyang magagamit. And more blessings to come. And I love you so much. Pero when I saw this watch, I realized na it symbolizes our friendship. Na it symbolizes time. Remember when we were short natin, I was still busy, tapos nag-videoan tayo na, wait, baka mag-miss tayo, tapos one day, tapos I was happy na you made it,
Happy birthday. And wow. So I don't meet a lot of genuine people in my life. I feel like you're one of those people na sobrang totoo. Tsaka I feel like nakakatuwa lang na nakahanap pa ako ng isa pang sister na mas bata sa akin na parang nakakabata kung mag-isa. Nakakatuwa lang, di ba? Sana happy ka ngayong gabi. And you inspire me actually kasi how close you are with your family and kung bakit kailangan sa mami mo dahil hindi ka nabigyan, nakakatuwa and sana hindi ka magbago and I'm so proud of you, I'm so proud of everything that you are and happy birthday and yung gift ko sa'yo, ito yung gift ko because I know how much you love to dance so yeah.
Happy birthday! Pardon me for wearing this. I was found by Marcelo Santos Capel. Hindi ko alam stylist na pala yung driver. Anyway, gift ko sa'yo, sobrang simple. And, parang ikaw ito, nag-bloom into a beautiful girl. Alam mo na yun. Thank you for inviting me.
Birthday. So this is my gift to you. And when the first time that I made ice on my gift, it felt like I was traveling back to the time when I was just a cute little Hika girl and now I'm a beautiful young lady. I wish that like this bag that is full of cards and you that is very talented, that you continue to shine and pursuing what you're passionate about. Always remember that we are here for you and we love you. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate. Birthday, ate. Sana huwag kang magbabago ka. Sana maging successful pa yung career mo. Proud ka na. Ito napili ko ate yung gift. Pillow. Neck pillow. Kasi habang nagbagal na ako, ang magbagal. Sige na lang.
Memory. Ko sa'yo kasi precious mo ko. Ayan, happy birthday. Salamat sa Twitter kasi nakilala ko. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Princess Riva, please make a wish and blow your candles. be seated. Thank you.
Right now, birthday mo. Also, alam mo, sinabi mo sa akin. Oh, time flies so fast. Tired. Oh, girl 25th, I'm so proud of you. Stay blessed. I love you. Hi, bye. I love you. Happy evening. This must be a transition of once a playful you to a mature you. Handful of responsibilities may come and complicated decisions you may handle, but don't crush things. You may embrace adulthood gradually and enjoy every single time of it. Always remember that your family needs special your passion and see your career. Happy birthday! Wishing you much happiness and success with your career. Love you very much. Hi, Bang. Bang? Bang? Happy birthday, Bang. Alam ko maganda yung career ko ngayon. Sana maging malayo pa yung more blessings. I love you. Happy 18th birthday, guys. Ang wish ko sa'yo, more blessings ko pa. Kasi deserve mo lahat yun. Kasi napakatotoong tao. Yun, happy birthday. I love you so much. Nandito lang ako palagi para sa'yo.
Birthday, Reva. I know we only met a short while ago, but I know you told me my little sister. And even though across the world, I'm always here for you. I hope you know that. I also wish you the world and eternal happiness. And I love you. And thank you for having me here. Ayun. Kaya halos lahat naman ang wish ko for you. Siguro ang wish ko na lang for you is sana matutuwa na mag-baby. Ayun lang. Para hindi na masyadong nahirapan sa video. Ayun, happy birthday!
Hi, Reva. Kakabihin ko. Joke lang. Wish ko sa'yo na sana ma-achieve mo na gusto mong ma-achieve. Quiet. Fans ko quiet. Yun lang. Wish ko na sana ma-achieve mo na gusto mong ma-achieve sa buhay. And God bless. Alam kong deserve mo lahat ng meron mo. Love you.
Hi, Bunso! Happy birthday! Dalaga ka naman mo. Wish ko lang sa'yo, sana tuloy mo pa yung nagiging mabait ng bata. Kasi kami, recently lang kami nagkakilala ni Liva. Tapos, isa sa tao na bata na turing ko ay bunso. Tapos, ang bait-bait pa. Tapos, hindi ko akalain na ganyan pala siya kataas. Diba? Makikita bunso, alam mo yan. Happy birthday.
On behalf of my sister, so Reva, she's a very down-to-earth person. I remember my days nung unang day ko na sinamahan sa ate sa Girlfriends. Siya yung unang pumukaw sa mata ko. Kasi mukha niya talaga si Gaya. Yes. Okay. So wala po yung joke. Okay, beat na lang po doon. So yun lang. Reva, never falter a higher dancer way to success.
Ayun! Nakakaabot ako. Ang ganda-ganda mo tonight, bebe. I love you so much. Ayun. Sa mga nakakilala kay Reva, sobrang bait talaga ng batang yan. Kaya dalaga ka na ngayon. And wish ko lahat ng best para sa'yo. Good health, syempre, and more blessings to God. God bless you. Love you. Happy birthday! Ayan, nahitahin ko na naman ako, ha. Kasi si Reva, kasama ko yan kong bully. Ay, si Eric din pala. Sorry, guys. Kasama, yan, kami tatlo. Pero katuwaan lang nga, hindi yung personalan na gano'n. Hindi naman. Ayun, wish ko sa'yo is good health and ipagpatuloy yung pangarap mo. I love you, Reva. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo, ma-achieve mo lahat ng dreams mo and naglalong palagi na hindi ka nakaka. I love you!
And thank you dahil nakilala kita. Well, lately lang tayo naging close because of Carla thing. And masasabi ko, sobrang gaan ng kasabi. As you all notice, sa lahat ng sinasabi niya, mabait ka, because that's true. And isa ka sa mga taong friends ko na parang sarap kasama, nakakatawa lang. And natutuwa ako sa'yo kasi napaka-passionate mo sa dancing. Wish ko lang is hindi yan mawala yung fire sa puso mo. And wish ko din sana sumama ka din sa world of acting. Kasi mag-enjoy ka din. And wish ko din is many more birthdays to come. And ma-achieve mo ang pagiging dentist. And ano ba? You know, yung common, yung love life, gano'n. Rebel life forever. Happy birthday, I love you so much.
Hi, Riva. Happy birthday. Sige, picture mo na kayo. Hi, Riva. Idol ko po kayo. Natatandaan ko nung bata pa tayo. Since day one. Joke lang. Happy birthday. Napitin ko kasi nakilala kita. At nung una pa lang kita na-meet, magaan agad yung love ko sa'yo. Yun, napagkatiwalaan kita agad. Actually, hindi pa ako nag-PBB. Kilala ko na si Riva. Totoo, promise. Totoo. Kasi sikat din si Riva sa Facebook mo. Totoo! Magpapalin yan. Gano'n. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana mabot mo yung mga pangarap mo, yung pangarap mo sa buhay mo, and yun, maging mabait, maging ano ka lang, kung ano ka ngayon, yun lang, maging humble ka lagi, and I mean, ipagpatuloy mo sa maging humble mo. Happy birthday, love you!
Hi, Jemmy! Happy 18th birthday! Alam mo naman kung bakit Jemmy yung gawin natin. In short, Jemmy kasi parang sa'yo lahat. In short, parang kambal na yun. And I'm so happy for you kasi yung pangarap mo na maging prinsesa. Ayaw mo maging isang princess just like Cinderella. Ayun, ang wish ko for you is be humble, huwag kang iiyak. Huwag kang iiyak. Be humble, and ayun, maging successful yung career mo, ito yung path mo, pagpatuloy mo yan, and naging mabait na kaibigan ko for me, alam mo yan, kahit ups and down, alam mo na mahal kita. Ayun, magdrama dito, kasi halos lahat ng sabi na nila eh. Ayun, marami pa akong sasabihin sa'yo, backstage siya. I love you mo.
Hi, Riva! Happy birthday sa'yo. Ang masasabi ko lang, sobrang sweet mo. Sobrang thank you sa lahat ng advice na binigay mo sa akin. Kasi mami mo sobrang bait. Ang wish ko lang sana sa'yo. Sana matuparuhan ng pangalan mo sa buhay. I wish you have more birthdays to come sa pangalan. Love you! First day ko talaga akalain na magiging best friends kami. Naging best friends kami ni Riva kasi ako yung tao na sobrang ingay, tapos siya tahimik. And yun, after naging friends kami, parang ang ingay niya! Parang siya lang yung sobrang nakasama ko, like parang everyday na kahit hindi ko siya mag-group every Monday. And siya lang talaga yung pinagkakatiwalaan ko sa lahat. Pero syempre lahat, Maris don't give that kind of thing. And hindi ko talaga hayaan na maagaw sa akin ang bestie ko, ha? Akin lang ang bestie ko, alam mo yan. And love na love kita, alam mo yan. And sana, mag-boom pa yung career mo. And hingin nyo, nandito lang ako para sa'yo. Kahit lahat ng tao sa mundo talikuran ka, nandito lang ako para sa'yo. I love you so much, Leslie. May tiwala ko sa lahat ng girlfriends, pero siya lang yung nakakasama ko.
naghihintay si Riba, ayaw ka naman pinaghihintay kayo. Kasi alam ko yung feeling naghihintay, kaya so yun. So this song is para sa mga lahat ng babae ngayon dito sa venue. Since you all look so wonderful and beautiful, this song is from Ed Sheeran, Tenerife Sea.
You look so wonderful in your dress. I love your hair like that. The way it pulls on the side of your neck, down your shoulders and back. Ang magandang diwata, sana may pag-asa. Pag-ibig ko'y aking sinulat at ikaw ang pamagat ng isang katulad mo.
First, thank you for saving the last dance for me. Akala ko hindi ako yung last dance. But of course, you know how special you are. It's because every day that I look at you, I can see your little one each day. And I know you draw strength from me. And that's why you're so special and meaningful. But before I get the last dance, can I serenade you? I tried to memorize a song, but you know, age catches up quickly, so pasensya nyo na. I'll have to go. Let's go, Pastor Robert. Once upon a time, you had my heart so tight. You close your eyes and say you're ready, I kiss your head tonight. Unless I dance and keep my heart deep within my heart. Thank God for giving me this angel in my heart. You're my little angel, so baby don't you cry. Each time you spread your wings and fly, you first one thing is seven ways. The hardest part is letting go, but you will always be. That is the only seems like yesterday, it's time to go so fast. Now the wind is so grown up, but the memories still last. It's time to say goodbye, but you always seem so near. But the love hold you tight like those times that I don't hear.
From this film na ginawa namin ni Riva, kaya kakantayin ko siya. Kung alam niyo po yung short film namin ni Marcelo na The Search. So ito po yung kanta ko. And this song is about letting go of that fear of falling in love.
Little by little, I'm falling.
and gentlemen, we have moved back to our present time as it is my privilege for one final time to present to all of you our lovely debutante, Miss Riva Canary!
Yes, I be your woman, yes, I be your baby. Yes, I be whatever that you tell me when you're ready. Yes, I be your girl, forever your lady. You ain't never gotta worry, I'm down for you, baby. Best believe that, when you need that, I'll provide that. You will always have it, I'll be on deck. Keep it in check, when you need that, I'ma let you have it. I like the dirty rhythm you play. I wanna hear you calling my name.
Tonight, we gon' come all together. Let me see your hands up high. Wanna come with me and take a ride? This is how I do it. We feeling good. We in this place. Now bring that beat back, Mr. DJ.
Here we go back. This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. And all my people say, that's right. And all my people say, and we go back. This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Go back. This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Wow! Ladies and gentlemen, how about a warm applause for Miss Riva Canary and of course the X-Out Dance Project and the UE Street Warriors!
Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat sa lahat po na pumunta ngayon. Akala ko talaga walang makakarating kasi ang dami hindi sure, tapos baka may gagawin o kaya, so hindi ko na-expect na ganito yung mga dadating. Kasi yun, gusto ko lang po mag-thank you sa lahat po ng mga bumuo nitong sa debut. Kila Ate Chris, kila Kuya Luis, kila Kuya Harold, sa lahat po talaga na bumuo nitong debut. At syempre, gusto ko mag-thank you sa friends ko na pumunta dito ngayon. Ayun, yung Bareta, yung Girl Trends, yung mga kapatid ko tsaka yung pinsan ko from America, yung GA fam, tsaka sa inyo at kila Kuya M. Thank you sa mga family ko from Bayongbong and Davao. Sa lahat po ng mga friends ko din sa Bulacan, sa mga kaklase ko dati sa UE, tsaka sa mga kaklase ko sa Star Magic Workshop. The hashtag Zeus na naging isang hashtag dito. Yun, thank you sa lahat ng pumunta. Kung may hindi man po ako nabanggit, sorry. Pero sobrang na-appreciate ko po lahat ng pumunta. Lalong-lalo na po sa parents ko na sobrang po talagang nagpakahirap para po magbigay nila sa akin yung dream job ko. Especially my mom. Gusto ko lang po ibigay sa kanya to. Sa mami ko, hindi niya alam. Pero kasi, si mami talaga yung nag-isip mula sa team, lahat ng mga gagawin. Sobrang blessed ako at may ganito akong nanay, makeup artist, talagang mula stylist, lahat. So, hindi mo nakakalam sa showtime kasi hindi talaga ako sanay mag-makeup. Siya lagi nag-aayos sa akin. Tapos siya lahat gumagawa. Kaya gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa mami ko. Ayun, kasi sobrang pinaghirapan niyo po talaga itong debut for me. Ayun, I love you, Mami. Thank you. Thank you kay Daddy financially. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you sobra sa parents ko for giving me my dream debut. Yun, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. And sana po, mag-enjoy po kayo. Enjoy the rest of the night. And maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. And sa mga nakasama ko po sa Sayaw, EDB and Street Wars, maraming salamat po talaga for making my dream come true. Sobra thank you po talaga. I love you all.
Times that you make me sing your free life, your free words, your everything. Come on, the dance and join the party this evening. You're a carousel, you're a mystery, you're from outer space, you're every minute of my everyday. And I can't believe when I'm your man, and I get to kiss you, baby, through these crazy times. It's you. You make me sing your free life, your free words, your everything. La 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 la. I said la 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 la. La, 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 'cause in this crazy life and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing your free life, your free world, your everything, your every song. I sing along, 'cause you're my everything.